Hello YouTube friends. So today I'm going to be showing you this super amazing mesh stitch. It does look like an X, kind of like a cross right here. If you can see that, there are a few double crochets all put together, and it is fun and amazing to do. I believe it is called the triple crochet cross stitch, I believe is what it is. I have also seen this referred to as the K stitch. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is worked in a multiple of 4 stitches. So to begin, we are going to work into our first stitch right here. So I already worked one here. So you're going to want to skip the first stitch. We are going to yarn over 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we yarned over 4 times, which means we have 5 loops on our hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to insert our hook into that loop, pull up a loop. So now we have 6 loops on our hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are going to yarn over and pull through 2 stitches, just like that. Yarn over and pull through 2 more stitches. So now we have a total of 4 stitches on our hook. We are going to yarn over 2 more times, 1 and 2. We are going to skip the next stitch, and into the following stitch we are going to yarn over, pull through 2 stitches, yarn over, pull through 2 more stitches. Okay, so now we have 2, 4, 5 loops on our hook. So now we're going to yarn over and pull through 3 of the loops on our hook. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, you see that loop right here? That was made after we did our 1, 2, 3 loops. Now we're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through 2 more loops. Now as you see, we have the bottom part started. Now we need to go ahead and make the second side right here connect to what we've made so far. So we're going to start by chaining up 1 because we did skip a stitch right here. So we want to chain up 1. We are going to yarn over, and we're going to go into that same space where we pulled through the 3 loops. So right down here, if you see that bump, so we are going to just stick our hook straight through the top of that. As you see, it's at the top of our 2 stitches right here that we just made. I'll show you that again. So here's the first stitch we made, here's the second stitch, and here's the 3 loops that we pulled through. Now we're going to, with our yarn over, we're going to insert our hook into that loop right there, yarn over and draw up a loop. Now we're going to finish off our double crochet. So we're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through 2 more loops. So there you go, you see that nice little X. So now we're just going to chain up 1 more to move on to the next stitch. I will go ahead and show this to you in slow motion. There you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel.